I'm Eleanor, and I'm 62 years old. Because my daughter knew a woman who worked for him, who was the receptionist, and she thought Dr. Funcik did great work. Well, she actually saw the work because she was his receptionist. And I had considered 2 other doctors, but I ultimately chose Dr. Funcik because my daughter Lauren told me that she knew of his great work, and after talking to him, he convinced me he was the best. I liked the way he told me what he was going to do and outcome, and he gave me a real good feeling about using him as a plastic surgeon. It was just a delightful experience with Dr. Funcik. I'd do it again in a minute. It wasn't traumatic. It was okay. I talked to his nurse, Cindy, and I also talked to him, and they both reassured me and made me feel like it wouldn't be extremely painful. It wouldn't be something that I couldn't do, because some people, I think, are afraid. The fear is what keeps them from the facelift. They've heard horror stories about it. But for me, it was because of them talking to me on that first visit. I felt calm, and I felt like they both knew what they were doing, and the outcome would just be great, and it was. Well, they talked to me the day I came in for surgery. They both talked to me, and they made me feel calm, and I didn't go in with any kind of fear or nervousness. And the nurse anesthetist was very reassuring too. He told me exactly what he was going to do, and he talked to me until the medication took effect, which made me feel calm, and I knew that he was going to take good care of me. And then after the surgery, I was kind of groggy, so I wasn't that aware of any sort of discomfort because of being groggy, and it wasn't as bad as I expected. I went straight from the doctor's office where the surgery was done to a local motel, and it was not bad at all. Dr. Funcik came to me in the motel room, and my husband and my daughter were there, and he talked to them and answered any questions they had, and he talked to me and told me everything was going just like he had anticipated it was supposed to, and I felt like myself that everything was going as it should, and I didn't have much discomfort at all. I was surprised. I would say that my facelift experience was worth what I paid. It was worth any little discomfort I had. I went from not being happy with my looks at all to being totally proud of the way I look. And I would choose Dr. Funcik for any other procedure either, any other procedure. I have total confidence in him, and I think he did a great job with my face. And I've seen other before and after pictures of people he's done, and I think that he's the best when it comes to facelifts or any other procedures that he would want to do on me or anybody else. I think he knows exactly what he's doing, and he's very confident, and I'm confident in him as well.